ensures USFDA final approval for Haloperidol tablets across 5 strengths. Alembic Pharmaceuticals Limited announced that it has received final approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, USFDA, for its abbreviated new drug application, ANDA. Haloperidol tablets, USP, 1 mg, 2 mg, 5 mg, 10 mg, and 20 mg. The approved ANDA is therapeutically equivalent to the reference-listed drug product, RLD. Haloperidol tablets, 1 mg, 2 mg, 5 mg, 10 mg, and 20 mg of Ortho-McNeil Pharmaceutical. Aragen manufactures Renaissance Pharma's FDA fast-track NAB Daretabart under strategic collaboration. Aragen, a leading global contract research, development, and manufacturing organization, CRDMO, has successfully tech transferred and manufactured the first commercial-scale GMP batches of Renaissance Pharma's lead candidate, Daretabart, a humanized monoclonal antibody targeting GD2 for high-risk neuroblastoma, in just 9 months. Lupin receives US FDA approval for generic Sutab tablets. Global pharma major Lupin Limited announced that it has received approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration, USFDA, for its abbreviated new drug application for sodium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, and potassium chloride tablets, 1.479 grams, 0.225 grams, 0.188 grams. This product will be manufactured at Lupin's Nagpur facility in India. Sodium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, and potassium chloride tablets are indicated for the cleansing of the colon as a preparation for colonoscopy in adults. Akums receives European CEP approval for Cefpodoxime Proxetil. Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited, India's largest contract development and manufacturing organization, CDMO, has received a Certificate of Suitability, CEP, from the European Directorate for the Quality of Medicines and Healthcare, EDQM, for its active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, Cefpodoxime Proxetil. Commenting on the development, Arushi Jain, Director, Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited, said, "The CEP approval for Cefpodoxime Proxetil reflects our continued focus on maintaining global quality and regulatory standards." CBC India and Metalco-Alupack sign exclusive strategic partnership. CBC India announced an exclusive partnership between CBC India's Ingredients and Packaging Solutions, IPS division, and Metalco-Alupack, a leading European manufacturer of pharmaceutical aluminum packaging solutions. This partnership represents a significant milestone in our journey, reinforcing CBC India's commitment to supporting the pharmaceutical industry with high-quality, reliable ingredients and packaging solutions, while driving market development and distribution of Metalco-Alupack products across India.